is on his 4th egg. Yep. He can't have scrambled, but because he can't have milk, but he has just regular fried. Yeah, regular fried eggs with ketchup. That's right. Yep.
And fried egg.
Yeah.
I go asleep.
Yeah. I don't know if I ever told you guys, but he is lactose intolerant, so he takes the cheese off pizza, and he doesn't have scrambled eggs, and he doesn't have milk in his cereal. If he does, it's the Lactaid. He can have a little bit of milk once in a while, but he needs to have like a tablet,
Yeah.
so he can digest it, and yeah.
Now, I'm eating one more egg.
Mm-hmm.
On my last egg.
Go ahead. Woo! Freezing. All right, where?
While you're waiting for your dad.
The sun is so cute.
Thank you.
You want to man the horse for me?
Hey, honey. Do you like that little pool? Yeah. We're going in.
Exactly. That's messed up. It must be particularly hard here. We're coming into spring and summer now, so I guess it'll be a tiny bit better.
Burr.
You want to try the pool now? It should be filled up.
Hey guys.
Warm in here.
You like this one better?
What?
You like swimming in this one better?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. He did, I know. You sad about that?
I really want one. Rub his tummy.
You rub his tummy. You love the puppy,
We're playing a
Mickey.
game. Hello. It's me. Hello. Knock. Knock. I got you. Knock. Hey, he's running. Micah, get off of him. He's running.
Aw, you give him a hug, Micah. He's playing with his little feet,
He's uncomfortable.
back paws, whatever they're called.
He's running. He's running.
He's running.
1, 2, 3, He's out. Yoshi's waiting on him. Wake up. That way, guys. Stop. Yoshi.
I need a four-wheeler. That's a tractor. It's a lawnmower. Aww. Where the heck are they going?
I'm gonna bye.
Say goodnight.
Good night, everybody.
There.
We playing. Them playing a game.
What are you playing?
Hobbit. Lego Hobbit.
Lego Hobbit?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Did you guys have a good day at school, Nathan?
Yep.
Yeah.
Hello.
So Nikki refuses to do summer school, so I don't know. I'll have to talk to Daddy about it.
School. And summer school.
Okay. Good night, everybody.
Good night. Good night.